Hi, I'm Garrett Hinshaw, president of Catawba Valley Community College, and this is Hawk Talk. We're here today with Stephen Rhoads virtually, and Stephen's the director of our Computer Integrated Machining program. Stephen, I know we're focused on the 4 E's this year, and you guys have demonstrated relentless execution and valuing every interaction every day. Tell us a little bit about what you guys do in your machining program.
We're in the computer lab now. The students are working on their fire engines. I'm not sure if you remember, a couple years ago we took second place in a national student contest with these fire engines. So it's really good. They're complicated, but the students are doing good. You can see they're drawing and SolidWorks, Mastercam, and they're learning. They're getting it, and it's cool to watch them take the challenges that we give them, and we'll take them out, and the students are learning so they can get a really good job. The jobs that the students can acquire are anything from design work all the way up to fabrication. They even get some welding. We send the students to welding, so they pick up a little welding, and they could work in a production shop. Wherever the students want to go, wherever they want to take this, they can go all the way. We have students that have actually opened their own shops. So they're entrepreneurs starting their own business. So let's go, and we'll start with the manual machining, and we're going to show you the students are working on parts out there. So let's go, and let me show you what's going on. Let's look at Alex and see what Alex is making here. Alex is working on the flywheel. Hand me the flywheel there, Alex. He's going to cut this slot out right here. He's got his hole drilled and reamed. He's got it faced off, and now he's going to work on this slot right here, and then we'll take it to a mill and put these holes in it. So that's what Alex is doing on this one. This is the flywheel that's on the fire engine. Let's go over here and look at Lee. Lee is drilling and tapping. He's working on his tapping for a 440 hole. He's working on the crank arm. It's a part of the fire engine. This is one of the most important parts here. It's what pushes the piston forward and back in that fire engine. So it's pretty important on this 440 tap. Let's go over to the CNC department and see what's going on over there. Dr. Hinshaw, this is Josh. He's on the CNC mill. This is a CNC mill. He has to take this part and fit it in that one. The tolerance is really tight. He's got 5/10 tolerance that he has to do. You can see him measuring, and then he'll measure this, and you can see that this part has to fit that one. And then from that, they make several other parts so that they can finish this fire engine. This is the fire engine. You can see all the detail that goes into this, all the parts. This took second place in a student competition last year. Really proud of that. And you can see the detail that goes in each one of these parts. The students have to have that detail. Because of this detail, the students have to have that relentless execution that we talk about. And we've got them for 2 years, so we have to value every interaction that we have with the students, because some of them come back. We make friends with those students.
Wow, that's awesome, Stephen. You know, seeing all these different student projects reminds me about a little request I had a while back about a Red Hawk ball marker. How's that project coming along?
And matter of fact, we do have that ready. We got it ready. Here you go.
Awesome. I can't wait to get on the course and show off this ball marker. Thank you, guys. We've been with Stephen Rhoads and the Computer Integrated Machining students today, and what great students we have here at Red Hawk Nation. They're learning lots of new skills, and there's plenty of careers here. Thank you for joining us this week for Hawk Talk, and we'll see you next time.